Hello guys, welcome to Instant Learner. Today we will discuss about the British Council scholarships without IELTS in UK. So before going to the lecture, it is request to all of you guys to subscribe the channel and press the bell notification so that you will get notifications of latest updates. So let's start the lecture. It is good news for all over the world that British Council has announced scholarship without IELTS. The scholarships are fully funded. The applications are invited to apply for the British Council scholarship without IELTS. The British Council scholarships are the scholarships that are funded by UK government. The British Council is a British organization specializing in international collegiate and university opportunities. All the scholarships from British Council are available for bachelor's, master's and PhD degree programs. When there is UK, you will see those open. You can get UK visa without IELTS. The British Council scholarships are fully funded. International students can apply and work in UK as well from 1st July 2021. International students who have successfully completed an undergraduate or master's degree will be able to benefit from the 2 years work experience in UK upon graduation. With so many world-class degrees often in UK, you will be able to study in top-rated universities of UK. The UK universities offer over 50,000 degree programs. Universities explore hundreds of online courses from UK world-class universities, with over 300 courses including helping to prepare you for university. So now we will see the list of British Council scholarships. You are looking at the screen. Studying in UK is an investment in your future. So here is the list of British Council scholarships without IELTS for international students. British Council Great Scholarship. The Great Scholarship is a fantastic scholarship opportunity for international students to study in UK. There are 310 scholarships that will be provided by the Government of UK and British Council. The second one is British Chevening Scholarships. Chevening is UK government's fully funded scholarships to pursue full-time masters and MPhil programs. For Chevening scholarship, you don't need any professional work experience. 1800 scholarships from 160 countries under Chevening government scholarships. British Council Scotland Saltire Scholarships. Scotland Saltire Scholarship is a government scholarship program by the Scottish Government in collaboration with the Scottish universities. Scotland Saltire Scholarship is an incredible opportunity to study in world-class Scotland universities. The next one is British Council Commonwealth UK Scholarship. The UK Government Commonwealth UK Scholarships 2022 is now open. And the Commonwealth Scholarship is a fully funded scholarship to study in UK. You are eligible to apply for full-time master's degree program or PhD degree program. And the last one is British Council Scholarship for Women in STEM. In 2020, the British Council launched a scholarship program in partnership with 19 UK universities. Women from circle countries will be able to do master's degree on scholarship in STEM subject at UK university. So now we will see the list of universities in UK which are offering scholarship without IELTS. So following are the universities in UK gathered from different sources that offer admission in UK without IELTS. Here is the list: the University of Cavenagh, London South Bank University, the University of Bolton, University of North Edmund, the University of Bolton, Portsmouth University, Birmingham City University, the University of Basel, Savannah University, the University of North Ockram, Sheffield Hallam University, Riga Technical University, the University of Warwick, London South Bank University, Robert Gordon University, the University of Bristol, the University of Plymouth, Aston University Birmingham, the University of Central Lancashire, the University of Greenwich, Northumbria University, Odnica Nitis School of Management. So how to apply for scholarship in UK without IELTS? Applicants with English proficiency certificates are eligible to apply for UK scholarships. Applications can get their English proficiency certificate from their previous university. In the letter university, it should be mentioned that applicants has studied all his course in English. You can see letter from that university instead of IELTS certificate. That's all guys. It is again requested to you that please subscribe the channel and press the bell notification and thumbs up for the video if you like it. If you think that it is helpful for you, please like the video and tell me in the comment if you want to learn anything more, or if you have any question related to this, you can ask in comment. We'll see you in next video. Thank you.